This 184-year-old newspaper just replaced some reporters with AI, and the results are shocking. The Cleveland Plain Dealer just dropped a bombshell. Their AI journalists are now writing real news stories. Not summaries. Not filler. Actual reporting. And here's the kicker, their AI-written articles are getting 40% more clicks than human-written ones. That's right. The machines are outperforming journalists at journalism. But before you panic, this isn't the end of human reporters. What the AI is actually doing is handling the data-heavy work, sports stats, real estate listings, business earnings, leaving human journalists to do deep investigations and personal stories. The result? More quality journalism, not less. The newspaper's editor said it simply, our humans are now doing what humans should have been doing all along. This is augmentation, not replacement. And it's about to hit every newsroom in America. The AI journalism revolution is just starting. Subscribe to see which outlets are winning with AI, and which are still in denial.